Come on, wind. Will it go all the way?
Hello? Okay.
Hi, Wes.
Go away.
Did opening my door have any effect on it?
Don't know. See, this is what it should be normally. And this is what happens when there's wind. Ooh, big gust. This is fun. Corey's paper towels fell over.
That's right.
See, this is what was going on in my room. That bag of chips fell over. Now it's all crumbly. That Tylenol allergy medicine fell over. In fact, even the TV fell over. Not really. It's Corey's room.
Hi.
All that stuff would have fallen over were it not for the door.
That is correct.
Corey's hat fell over. And Corey's feathers somehow fell out of the drawer. In fact, Corey's bed fell over while he was sleeping.
Yeah, and I died actually.
So what was it like when you died?
It was pretty scary, but I'm glad it's over now.
I'm glad.
Yeah.
And that's what happens on a windy day.